some tears. A little ego stood in front of my sincere. I would have cut it off when we were out at sea. If I would have known you would have disappeared, I would have never let go of something so special. Make me want to skip to the next episode. I'm pulling stitches out every one of them.
What up, New York, and whoever else may be watching? We're at the Artechouse. You can come out here and sort of sit down and just watch the visuals. And one of the things that I learned about this place that it's really interesting, the bartender told me, oh yeah, they have a bar upstairs. So upstairs there's a bar, and down here in this area is the observation area where you can come sit down. But what I just found out is that you can actually bring your laptop and work from here if you want to. If you have a work from home type of situation, you can bring your laptop, have a seat anywhere around here, and do your work, do your meetings. They do have internet access here. And then, like I said, they have a bar upstairs. But the drinks, you're gonna pay like almost $20 a pop for a drink, and it's a short glass too. I think the visuals here cycle out every 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes of the visuals, you'll see it refresh. I think the membership costs, gives you a whole year, and the benefits of coming here, get a discount on the drinks. But it's pretty cool if you want to just come here and work, relax. It's good for your zen, your good feng shui. You believe in all that. If you have problems, it's a good place to come here and sort of just look at all this crazy shit on the ground and clear your head a little bit. And then there's the earth right there. What is that? What is this shit? Like, what is that? The circles, shapes and shit. Straight out of Egypt. I don't know, man. It's speaking to me. Look at that. That looks like Saturn. There's planets. There's Saturn again. There's whatever this is, the universe. What else? What is that? Look, there's people dancing. Wow. Now I'm standing close to it so you guys can kind of get an understanding of what it looks like to be up close. But to get a real appreciation of it, you have to look at it from afar. Look at all that circuitry. There's circuitry, there's blueprints, there's code. Look, it says force ventilation, thermal probe. I don't know what that says. Whoa, look at that. That's nuts. You got, oh my gosh, you got NASA shit, you got DNA strands, consoles, fucking people clapping. They're like so proud of their achievements. It's crazy. Now, if I was wearing all white, the projections would probably be on me, maybe? No, they wouldn't. Would they? I have no idea. Where are the things coming from? It's like they're projected up on the ceiling. start pressing these buttons. So beep, 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 beep. I'm finna blow up Alderaan. That's dope. Nah, I'm tripping. I'm having too much fun here, but it's pretty cool, man. Oh, shit, look at that portal. It's a crystal portal. Now this shit reminds me of what's that called? Interstellar. Like, do you remember when Matthew McConaughey went into the black hole and he sees all these books and shit? This is what it reminds me of. Look at that. Like, how do they? Let me go to the corner over here. How do they do this shit? Look. Look at that. It's fucking crazy. There's numbers and shit. Binary? Whoa. Man, this is freaking insane. Look at that. I'm gonna go check out upstairs what other shit they got going on. There's a little other exhibits up here. This is the main attraction. Like, right here is where all the action happens. But there are other little things over here that you can take a look at. Let's look at the bar. The bar's closed. I have no idea why they closed the bar so early. Maybe they have to have a license, but the bar has these drinks that are purple. They're like matching the colors of what's down here. You can't bring the drinks down there. But yeah, you come up to the bar. This kind of like reminds you of the cantina in Star Wars on Mos Eisley. You're like, bartender, give me whatever the fuck, blue milk. We'll hook you up with the blue milk. You take your drink, and you come over here and sit down because you can't go to the main floor with it. Then you have a seat right here, and you drink your $20 drink that you'll finish up in 5 seconds because it's all ice. Look at the sun. This is some Star Trek shit right here.
Here you can say it's like one of the. Those are like all this.
Look at that. I mean, all this data information, bro. That's so cool. And then there's this room, which there's all these little. There's a camera right there, so I don't. Can you touch it? Can you touch it? No, you can't touch it. I don't know. There's cameras here, so I don't know. Maybe this is your skin? Fuck. It, like when I get close to it, it changes. Like it changes color. Like I don't know. Is it doing something? That's kind of cool. Will you do it? Maybe these are like mood rings, but mood displays. Oh shit! Scared the shit out of me. I mean, they all look the same to me. I don't really know. Look at that. I got close to it and it changed. Does it do it when... Oh shit, yeah it does. It changes when you get close to it. Look at that. I think it only works for me. Wow.
Those are sensors above.
Oh, so it does it for everybody.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it's just me. I was like,
special.
I was like, I feel so special.
Yeah, so yeah. This is all mapping solar wave data.
Yeah, yeah.
So these are, in this case, satellites that NASA reports to us are glitched, shut off. Or
Oh, this is for real, for real.
For real, for real.
Oh,
yeah,
right.
So this is a solar flare that happened in July of 2012. These were all the satellites in our extended orbit and then a more immediate orbit of Earth. That
Wow.
NASA said we're glitched and we lost connection with just for a second because of a flare that we otherwise really wouldn't feel.
Yeah, yeah. That's cool.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for sharing.
That way. Maybe we can use extra screens.
And that's a heat thing. This predator vision.
Well, seriously, it's the global power grid. But you can think about it like a world map flipped, where bright colors are points of big or dense population. So like East Coast, West Coast, Europe, Asia, mostly China, India. Anyway, it looks like the screen's kind of glitching or resetting.
Yeah.
It just means the date's going to reset to a new date.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Thanks. Turns out the screens change for everybody. Look at this data. It's DNA, man. Dino DNA. Do you mind if I get one of you? Sweet. Thank you.
I said, I want it. 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 I said, if I would have known you would have disappeared, I would have never let go of something so special. Make me wanna skip to the next episode. I'm pulling stitches out every one of them. If I would've known you would've disappeared, I would've never